Hey everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep, and today I want to share a few ways that our customers are using AI in their work to make them just 10 times more effective, productive. So today I wanted to talk a little bit more about standard operating procedures. Oftentimes they're really complicated, almost too complicated for anyone to follow. So we wanted to use AI to make them just a heck of a lot more easy to use and simpler to follow. So why don't you follow me in this example? Let's try this prompt in ChatGPT. Let's type into ChatGPT, write a simple lockout-tagout procedure for a hydraulic press that new technicians can easily follow. All right, in seconds, you'll see you get a step-by-step clear procedure that focuses on clarity and safety without this overwhelming technical jargon that oftentimes makes standard operating procedures just completely unusable. And here's a really cool part you can do to follow up with this. You can type into ChatGPT, let's turn this into a visual checklist now with safety reminders. And boom, you get this field-ready document that you can laminate and then you can post next to that piece of equipment. So try it today, not just text generation, but also image generation. It's actually one of the easiest ways to get these procedures easy to follow and actually working for your team.